Imagine walking into a hospital not to meet a doctor but an artificial intelligence system trained on millions of medical records, x-rays, symptoms, and diseases. You sit down, describe what's wrong, and within seconds, it gives you a diagnosis more accurate than most human doctors. Sounds like sci-fi? Well, it's already happening. AI in healthcare isn't a future idea anymore. It's here and it's learning fast. In 2024, Google DeepMind released MedPalm 2, a medical AI that scored around 85% on US medical licensing exams. That's higher than many real med students. AI models like this can analyze blood samples, detect rare cancers from scans, and even suggest treatments faster than most doctors. So how does it actually work? AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't overlook symptoms because it skipped lunch or had a rough morning. It takes millions of data points and compares your case to countless others. It can flag things humans might miss, and it learns from every case, improving over time. One example: breast cancer detection. AI trained on thousands of mammograms has been found to spot signs of cancer earlier than radiologists in some studies. That means better outcomes and earlier treatment. But it's not perfect. AI can still get things wrong, especially if it's trained on biased or incomplete data. That's why most experts believe it should assist doctors, not replace them. Still, the idea of an AI doctor has real potential. In countries where there aren't enough doctors, AI could bridge the gap. In places where healthcare is expensive or slow, it could speed things up and reduce costs. And in emergencies, imagine an AI system that helps paramedics diagnose and treat on the spot, or an AI chatbot that saves lives by identifying early stroke symptoms over a phone call. So, will AI cure diseases better than humans? Maybe not better, but definitely faster, cheaper, and more accessible. And in the end, the best future might be one where doctors and AI team up, combining human empathy with machine precision. Because saving lives, that's one job worth sharing.